What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's Wednesday night, June 4th. We're out here on a road call for a trailer with no lights in the rear in a drop yard. So I guess we will get started. So it's trailer 3820030. So let's get out our nifty little light box. I forgot this truck. You guys got to unlock the damn door. Unlocked. Let's do this. We'll probably turn the strobes off since we're in a drop yard, but get our nifty little light box out. This trailer's kind of tall. Let's see if this light cord will reach our power box here. Plug that on in. Open up our box. Should have brought a bungee cord, but oh well, it'll work like this. So this box, let me turn my camera on, or my flashlight. So little box here, we got our Milwaukee battery in there, hooked up. So we'll go ahead and go with, they're saying we have no rear lights, so we'll go with clearance lights. We got clearance lights up there. Let's see what's not working in the back of the trailer. Looks like everything's working on the back of the trailer. I don't think this is going to be much of a road call. It's loaded. This box works better when you got two people. That way one person can cycle through the lights. This is the right trailer. 3820030. So we're gonna go with left turn signal. I can tell the left turn signal is working. Let's switch over to right turn signal. Right turn signal is working. Brake light. We have brake lights back there. Tail light. Let's see what we got for tail lights. I think these people are crazy. Called me out here for nothing. Thinking to be much of a good video. Didn't have to fix nothing. All the lights are working. I guess this was just a waste of time. Sorry, guys. Should be able to cycle the ABS too. Yep, ABS cycled. Alright, I'm gonna go and get a hold of this lady that called for this call and see what the hell is going on here. Probably send her a few pictures. Turn that off. And I'm gonna double check the trailer number, but I'm pretty sure this is it. I mean, there is a lot of trailers here, but I've drove around this yard 3 times before I found the trailer I needed. There's a bunch way off over there in the distance too. So let me do some verifying and then we'll hop back on there and keep this going. Well, guys, I talked to the dispatcher. This is the correct trailer. The driver stated there was a problem. It looks like either he didn't want to take the load because this trailer is loaded, or there's a problem with the tractor. Don't know if there's a problem with the tractor because the tractor's not here, so we're gonna go ahead and unhook our box from the trailer. Look in there, I don't see nothing wrong with it. This trailer's pretty new, so we'll go ahead and make sure our box is turned off, which it is. Close it up. And then unplug our light cord. But if you're curious in what I'm using to test this, this is what it is. Pretty nifty little tool. Normally it comes with like a 12-volt battery that wires on. It has ring terminals. I just push them into the Milwaukee. And then it has like a cigarette lighter thing you can plug in, 12-volt, to charge the battery. That battery's long gone, so this is how I use it. I just use it with an 18-volt Milwaukee or DeWalt, whatever kind of batteries you got, you can use it with. So we'll throw this in the truck. We're gonna go make sure that trailer door is closed. I don't want to be to blame of a loaded trailer being left open in Gary, Indiana. So I did close it so I could take a picture to send her the trailer number with the lights working. Close that down. That's it. Lights work on the trailer, so she already paid our minimum fee. And no complaints from them, so they're going to get with the driver and figure it out. And if the truck needs service, or if the driver just didn't want to haul this load. So, but that's it for this video, guys. Sorry it's so short, kind of a pointless video, but when you run a 24/7 roadside business, I guess you never know what it's going to get. Tonight was easy, tomorrow could be something difficult, so we'll get the hell up out of here and go home and have dinner at 11 o'clock at night. Thanks, guys.